Uh, Hello guys, so here I am going to give basic information about the expenses which we are recording in profit and loss. The basic things are like regular expenses, just utilities, insurance, and trial expenses, meals and entertainments, etc., and office rents, something like that, and office supplies. Now the thing is, first of all, we have to figure it out: is it prepaid expense or accrued expense? That's the main thing, to give the perfect idea about the cash flow and to give the perfect if like appropriate effect to the profit and loss accounts. So if it is prepaid or accrued, we have to figure it out first. So how we can do that? Prepaid itself describe itself like a prepaid, which is we are paying in advance. That could be rent, utilities, insurance, or like salaries, or I mean a payroll in advance. So all this can be prepaid expense. So what should be the entries for them? For the if it is a regular expense, so we debit expense and credit accounts payable or cash or bank if you are making direct payment. But in case if you are making payment in advance, so that is called prepaid expense. So in that way, what we can do, we have to debit prepaid expense and credit either accounts payable, I mean the vendor's name, or if you are making payment related to the expenses, so that could be cash and bank accounts. And so what is prepaid expense? So prepaid expense is one kind of your current assets. So when you make payment in advance, so that becomes your current assets, and we recognize this expense in upcoming months. Like as of now it's a September 23, so if you are paying rent or insurance for a year or anything else, like just for the basic explanation, let's we are taking example of rent. So the rent of October we are paying in September. So what should be the accounting entry? That should be prepaid expense debit, accounts payable credit. And when we make payment to accounts payable, I mean to the vendor, so accounts payable debit and cash and bank credit. These are the transactions for September month. But now for the October, what we have to do, we have created our current assets like prepaid expense. So in October, by the 1st of October, we have to record transaction like rent expense debit and prepaid expense credit. So what would be the effect in profit and loss and balance sheet? In the profit and loss, you can see rent expense for the October month, and for the balance sheet, the current assets which we have created, that is now nullified. In September we debited prepaid expense, and in October we have credited with the same amount. Okay, so the balance sheet item is nullified. So this is the basic example of prepaid expense. For more details and more videos, I'll post in very soon. Like for the insurance expense, which we have to like we are generally we pay for 12 months, so we have to create schedules for that. And for that I need laptop, so once I'll be in front of my computer, then I'll create prepaid schedule and I'll show you how we create prepaid schedule and how we recognize the expenses. Okay, stay tuned then. Thank you.